So young. You want to see? All right, Roblox and dog. Was that like 2 parts? All right. God, that's so much.
I need more money.
Life in Satan's lair. I just want these people. Dead dog. All right, I don't think cart games. Just like all those.
Mama.
No. Stop it. No.
Mama.
Something is not right. Steal. So if you have it verified. She told me to survive the lasers. I'm gonna do that. I want to win. What? You can just people over here. Let's ask how to play this game. Hey guys. Okay, that time I didn't mean to. Ben. Fucks. Look at this. All right, I'll claim. That's not fair. All right. Good news. C's. Big irrelevant. That you could pick. Yeah, sure. Bro, how do you get a boat? Oh, we'll get you. All right, I bought this thing. It's been that. I think I might just take that. Oh, quick, click! Grab a life jacket. My character. Ladies and gentlemen. Alright, I'm going over here. I will not be caught. It's time for whatever. You know, I might have let an how I look real quick. Alright, who thinks fighter? That since I wanted to make more exiting and surprising life. This kind of feels like I did. Like, look. That design might be
Thalassophobia. Yo, mama.
XD. That's scarier. My chair. Hey. All right, it's been in over here. Oh, for some reason there's a. Whoa, Chris. What will he do next? Oh my God, what happened? Let's. I don't really remember. What? Okay, wait. Since it controls your character for you. It's like when you. All right. I put. Oh God. Oh no. I play this game here, man. We are the. Uh-oh. All right. Well, now there's no escape. To cry, I feel. I'm not gonna look at